All right, so what we're talking about today is animal classification, or how we sort out animals. We've already talked about how we sort out living things. We sort them by the different kingdoms: animal kingdom, plant kingdom, the produce kingdom, the fungi kingdom, and the bacteria kingdom. Well, right now we're just focusing on the animal kingdom. Well, one of the first ways that we sort them out is by how they stay warm. Let me explain. It's by their blood type. By warm-blooded, and cold-blooded. Warm-blooded animals stay warm naturally. In other words, their body temperature stays the same. Well, the cold-blooded animals, on the other hand, they have to use the sun or the rocks to help keep them warm. So their body temperature depends on their environment. Okay. So for warm-blooded animals, let's think about some warm-blooded animals. We have dogs are great, or a great example of warm-blooded animals. Cats, humans, all of these are what we call mammals, and we'll talk about those in just a second. Okay. Another warm-blooded animal has wings and feathers. They're birds. So mammals and birds are both warm-blooded. They get their body temperature stays the same. On the other side, we have cold-blooded animals. These are things like reptiles, amphibians, and fish. Cold-blooded animals have to use the sun. They have to use rocks. They have to use something else to get their warmth. That's why sometimes you'll see alligators laying out out in the sun with their mouth wide open. They're trying to get warm, so when they move. That's why when it's cold outside, it's not a great time to go fishing, because those fish aren't going to bite. They're not going very far because they're cold. The water's cold. They're going to try and huddle down where it's warm. So these are two ways that we classify animals, by their blood type: warm-blooded and cold-blooded. Okay. Another way that we classify animals is vertebrates either and invertebrates. Now you may have learned that the word in language arts, when it's a prefix, means not. So we have this word vertebrate and not vertebrate. Vertebrates and invertebrates. Well, what a vertebrate is it has a backbone. Your vertebrate is a backbone. Okay. The word vertebrate means backbone. There are all kinds of animals that have backbones. Okay? Some examples of those are humans, fish, snakes. A lot of people don't think snakes have backbones. They do. It's just very flexible. Okay? Invertebrates are animals that do not have a backbone. So not, let's make a different color. Not backbone. These are going to be animals like worms, insects, slugs or cephalopods, octopus, octopi, jellyfish, starfish, okay? Just a few. Just a few to name off. So our vertebrates, remember, these are animals that have a backbone. Our invertebrates do not have a backbone.